must be right. I'm determined that you're mine. You are the thing you need to be. What I need to do. We're together, baby. Every starting to go through. Cause if I got you, I don't need money, I don't need cars, girl, you're my all. Sabay ko kayo! I'm into you, girl. What else to do? And every kiss and every hug, you make me fall in love now. I can't be the only one. I bet it's all over the world tonight. And I would like to feel like I feel when I'm with you, with you, with you, with you, with you, girl. With you, with you, with you, with you, with you. Oh girl, I don't like nobody else. That you that's so unfair. That just a Saturday. I can't get you when I can't get away. Take you, shine, you say that. You know that I'll be true. You know that I want to be yours. Cause if I got you, I don't need money, I don't need cars. Girl, you're my all. Take me down here, so I'm into you like a love. What if we do? Every kiss, every hug, you make me fall in love now. I can't be the only one. I bet it's hearts all over the world tonight. We never had like we'll be. But I feel when I'm with you, with you, with you, with you, with you, girl. With you, with you, with you, with you, with you, yeah. It's not, we'll never try to deny. Cause you're my whole life, cause it's you. Never let me go now. So woman, I don't need another woman.
Kaya kasi malamig mas lagi yung kamay ko.
As in my God, I've been straight. Baby, you're looking far from my dignity. Can't see you when I had so long the world. And I had so long the world. Ooh, baby, I can't see you when I had so long the world tonight. And I had so long the world tonight. Oh, I'm instantly alone. What else to do? And every kiss and every hug, you make me fall in love now. It doesn't burn like you feel. When I feel, when I with you, 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 oh yeah. Thank you.
Good afternoon po sa lahat. Kami po ang Dance with Singers. Magpapakilala po muna kami.
Good afternoon po sa inyo lahat. Ako po si Bobby Solomon. Magandang hapon po, ako po si Arvin King. Good afternoon po, ako si Robert Solomon.
Good afternoon to all of you. I'm JR de Guzman.
Good afternoon po, ako si CJ.
Kami po ang Dance Squad Singers.
Yes, siyempre po, huwag niyo pong kalilimutan supportahan po ang album ni Shane Ortiz. At ang aming second album po ang Dance Squad Singers. Second album po. Bangan niyo rin po kami every Saturday po sa Master Showman. Pati po yung mga kasama po namin sa CSSOP Chow ng Hibit. At saka po
sa may iwas po, nasa Pulilan, Bulacan po kami, may 2, nasa Palak, Manila, may 3, nasa Bitutan. Pero may 7, Santa Cruz and po ng Makati. So, punta po kayo if ever mapapagal po kayo.
And sino ba dito ang mga tagahanga ng sex bomb? Tatas mo ang kamay.
Wala.
Even Babes.
Wala.
Even Babes.
Ayun, kaya ko tinanong kung sino mga tagahanga ng sex bomb dito kasi sino po ba nanonood ng Day 7? 7, okay.
Wonder Girls na yung
Mambalilong po, yung this season, andun po ako. So, everyday po yun, sana po manood kayo. And abangan nyo rin po yung Sweet Life. Nandun po ako sa Sweet Life. And of course, Maynila, GMA 7,
Sesong
every
nandun,
Saturday.
papanood
Doon po
ko.
kayo. Yan. Thank you po. So, you want more?
Wala rin.
Ito ang susunod na kakantahin po namin na is a cut from our second album. It's called Let It Weep. Music ko. Ito. Palakpak!
Sana, bakit ako nag-aawa?
Party to.
I wanna see you win it, show you treat you right. Give me just a minute of your time tonight. We both are here to have the fun, so let it well. When you get your grooving, love your body language, baby, let me know you have these sort of actions. We both are here to have the fun, so let it well. So let it well, let's bring it feeling, child, let's do it right. Yeah, let's bring it feeling, work it all out, that's your trend. Child, let it well. Now that you can see how you feel with me, what else can I do to get closer to you? We both are here to have the fun.